What's up, friends? Welcome back to the Deal Finder. We are back at Costco with another great video. Thursday, February 27th, and we have Costco's 34 new arrivals that you need to see. And just a quick reminder, friends, we have 2 days left of the giveaway. Make sure you head over to Instagram, follow me at Watch the Deal Finder, click that link in my profile, and then follow the directions from there. We are giving away a free Costco membership. If you already have one, just return it and get a nice $65 credit. Let's get right into the video, friends. In the number one spot from below zero, we have their cooling body pillow. It's 54 inches in length, has a nice medium support to it. It's cool to the touch and it is silky soft, $14.99. The fill material is 100% polyester fiber. Another new arrival here at the warehouse, we have the chenille decor pillow. Now these are 22 by 22 and they are available in 3 different colors. We have blue, we have green, and we do have ivory. For some reason, there was not many blue left. I did have to dig down deep to find some. But anyways, friends, $11.99. And just around the corner in the number 3 spot, we have the Rapid Flow. Now this is their compact garden hose. It's 5/8 of an inch thick and 100 feet in length. Now this hose is 50% lighter in weight than heavy duty vinyl hoses, has a nice burst strength up to 600 PSI, it's kink resistant, and it's assembled in the United States, which I like. Now here at the warehouse, it's priced at $49.99. And then to my right, we also have the 100-foot contractor grade hose. I bought this hose last year 3 times, and all 3 times it broke. Now the problem with this hose, it's super heavy duty, which means it's super heavy. So when it does break, it's a pain to bring back to the warehouse. It doesn't look like it, but when you have to roll that thing back up and lug it to the warehouse, it's a pain. $27.99. And next up from Fiskars, we have their 15-inch loppers and the hand pruner set. Pretty nice set. I do like it. My only issue is if you're going to own a pair of loppers, you might as well bump it up a size. Maybe 30-inch, maybe a 28-inch. That would be more ideal for your household. That way you can cut bigger branches. Now here at the warehouse, this pruner set is $24.99. And moving on to the number 6 spot, we have the Greenworks. Now this is their 80-volt, 21-inch self-propelled mower. Now it does come with an extra blade, 2 batteries, and the rapid charge. Now keep in mind, this is the Generation 2 model we're looking at, so it is pretty nice. It does provide up to 65 minutes of runtime, and it's good up to 3/4 of an acre. Now it has the dual battery ports and an auto switch over, which is nice. You pop one in, and then it automatically switches over, which I like. So you get the 2 batteries, the rapid charge, 2 blades, and it has a high lift blade as well. That way it does suck up the leaves better and get into the bag. That's what the high lift does. Now this does have a brushless motor, a push button start. Pretty nice here. $5.99 here at Costco, $6.29 online. In the number 7 spot, we also have the Greenworks. This time we're looking at their brushless leaf blower. It does come with a 4-amp battery and a charger as well. Now normally I only use gas powered equipment, but I did buy this last year and I love it. It's very convenient. I can use it inside the house, in the garage, blowing everything right out. It's very easy, just pick it up and go. Super lightweight, but make sure you use ear protection because it's louder than you think. That high-pitched noise does damage your ears. Here at the warehouse, $279.99. At Costco.com, it's $10 more. Now to my right, in the number 8 spot, we also have the Greenworks. This is their weed whacker, another piece of equipment I did pick up. This is also known as a string trimmer. It's a 17-inch string trimmer. Now this also comes with a battery and charger. I actually bought them both, which is pretty nice because now I own 2 sets of batteries. So when one dies, I have the other one as backup. So these both work fantastic. I do like them all. Now the string trimmer is pretty lightweight. No, it doesn't work as good as a gas-powered one, but it still works very well. And if you don't have a big yard, both of them will be just great around your household. Great piece of equipment here, $249.99. I was going to release a video this week on the top best TVs you can buy here at Costco, but I'm going to save that for next week. Here in the electronics section, we see a lot of Death Stars, a lot of discontinued products. All these Sonos products and these TVs, they have to go. They have the new inventory coming up and they need to go in March. So keep your eyes open. Look out for those clearance products. Look out for those 97s and make sure you follow me here on YouTube. That way you don't miss a beat. And just very quickly, friends, I am coming out with a new Costco clearance video tomorrow. So if you're watching this video today, Thursday, and you're in the market for a new piece of furniture, make sure you head to the warehouse first thing tomorrow morning. A lot of pieces of furniture are on clearance, and you don't want to miss out on it. If you're in the market for a new couch, make sure you hurry up. Those pieces go very, very quick. A lot of people wait for those furniture pieces to go on clearance. They come down, they rent trucks, and then they're gone the next day. So stay tuned for my video tomorrow. We have a lot of furniture on clearance. Make sure you head to the warehouse before the weekend. 100% you're going to miss out, and these pieces go very, very quickly. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram. I do give a little heads up on Instagram when I'm filming. Sometimes I'll take pictures and then post it right on Instagram. That kind of gives you a heads up. So here we have it. We have two pathway lights. We have the Tommy Bahama $39.99 6-pack. The infinity lights did look nice in the beginning when I was yapping. And this time from Fight, we have the string lights. We've seen this a bunch of times. Now these lights have definitely dropped in price from the past 2 years. Now we're seeing them here at $29.99. I've seen them as high as $59. Now they're back down to $29. Great price for those string lights. I have like 3-4 sets of them connected in my yard. They work awesome. Now here we have the GTX solar LED pathway lights. Now these have 8 hours of operating time. Now they're pretty popular because they have those little vintage bulbs in them. But here we have it, $37.99. And then right behind me towards the front of the warehouse, Costco has all the gift wrapping paper. They got the bow ties, they got cards. Here it is, 270 square feet of gift wrapping paper. Now this is your everyday gift wrapping paper from Kirkland. Pretty nice here, a lot of gift wrapping paper, and the price is not bad at all if you do need it. Now let's have a nice close-up shot of that price. We also have the ribbons to my right. Stay tuned for that. Here we have it, $14.99. And then to my right, Costco has brought back the ribbons. Now we're not looking at the Christmas ones. We're looking at regular ribbons here. Now Costco has brought them back. So many different designs, different patterns, so many to choose from, different thicknesses. Now these look pretty great when they're all done up. Look at that right there. Now check out that price, only $7.99, 50 yards of ribbon. Now these ribbons do have the wires on them, which I like. And then to my right, we have these amazing cards. Now this one I really did like. If you have any little ones at home, you got any birthdays coming up, niece, nephews, friends, this makes awesome cards. Now here, check that out. We get a 40 count here. Is it a 40 or 50 count? I believe it's a 40 count of cards for all different occasions. Check out that price, $18.99. That's so cheap, 40 count. These are all handcrafted and they all look pretty amazing and they're pretty unique. And looking around, there's no signs of gym equipment anywhere, nothing to be spotted but grills and camping equipment. Costco has brought in their new stuff for the season. Right in front of us, we're looking at the Camp Chef. Now this is their Tundra. It's a 3-burner stove with a griddle. It comes with a 3-foot hose and a regulator. There's no propane tank included, so if you do need one, you have to buy that separately. Has folding legs and a 3-sided windscreen, which we can see here. Also, it has 30,000 BTUs, so it is pretty powerful. Check out that price, $234.99. Now, most of you know by now, I do love cast iron products. This one right in front of us, we have their cast iron griddle. It is reversible here, so no need to go out and buy yourself a Blackstone if you already own a grill. You can just buy one of these, throw it right on top of your grill, and you are good to go. You have your own griddle. This is pretty amazing here, and it's not too expensive. It's double-sided. You have your grill, and then you have your griddle. I do like it a lot. It's pre-seasoned. Now, let's have a look at that price tag. A very nice product here, and the best part is it's not too expensive. It's priced at $24.99. Now Titan has brought in an army of coolers. We have so many different coolers to select from, but I am just going to show you one for today. I'll show you another one tomorrow. So right in front of us, we have the Titan cooler. Now this one I personally own, and I like it. Why? Because it can collapse and it can be nice and compact. I am going to pull one out so you can see what I'm talking about. Look how thin that collapses to. That's the cooler. That's pretty cool. So I carry that around my truck, and every time I come shopping here at the warehouse, if I need to use it or if I need to buy something, I'll break it out. Check out that price, $29.99. It is water repellent, which I like too. And here we have it. Costco has brought out the big boys. We got the Weber Genesis 2 right in front of us, complete stainless. I love the way this grill looks. Now this is a gas grill. You need a propane tank, so you do have to buy that propane tank separately. It's a 4-burner grill, and it does have the sear button. So if we look to my right, you can see right there in the middle, that little tiny knob in the middle between those two knobs, that's a sear button. You turn that on, and you can see your steaks there. Also has another burner to my right where you can cook things separately. Very nice grill here. It's a Weber Genesis 2, but check out the price. It's pretty hefty at $1,199.99. Stay tuned. It will drop in price, so you don't need to buy it right away. Now, if you're looking for something a lot smaller, maybe something portable, this would be a great option in front of us. From NXR, we have their 3-burner portable gas grill. Now, what I love about this grill, it's completely stainless. Even the lid and firebox, it's 304 stainless steel, has a nice push and turn ignition, which I love. 312 square inches of total grilling space. Also has 24,000 BTUs, so it does pack a punch. It's very powerful. Comes with a regulator, comes with a hose. Very nice unit, very compact. But check out the price, only $119.99. And now, if you do prefer a griddle, we have that option as well. Maybe you want to buy them both. But here we have the Blackstone 22-inch griddle. Now, this is their tabletop bundle set here. Pretty nice griddle. Now, it does have 361 square inches of cooking area. Now, no need to buy the super big one unless you think you're going to use it a lot, or maybe you have a big family. This one works very well. I've used it before. I like it. I kind of wish I bought this one. It doesn't take up too much room. $169.99. Now, if you do need something a lot larger, we do have the Blackstone 36-inch 4-burner griddle. It's very big, has 768 square inches of cooking space, so you could cook a lot of food on this. 4 burners. Now, what I love about this griddle, it has the hinge hood, meaning the cover pulls down and protects the top of it, just like a regular grill. So a lot of burners, a lot of griddles, you don't see them with the hinge hood. This one has it, which I love. Also comes with a weather-resistant cover, which is great too. A nice little bonus there. It's a 36-inch griddle, like I mentioned. At Costco.com, it's priced at $459.99. Here at the warehouse, you can pick it up for $399.99. Now, I know a lot of us have been waiting for that Dyson to drop even more in clearance. We saw it in my last Costco video, but if you want something alternative to that, maybe something that just has a fan option, you don't need the heat, you don't need the purifier, check this one out from OmniBreeze. It's a 30-inch tower fan. It has a Wi-Fi control. Now, this tower fan does have an internal oscillation, meaning it will move left to right automatically, has a large air circulation coverage up to 200 square feet, has 4 different speeds, 4 different breeze modes, and it's Wi-Fi enabled. It has that smart control, which I love. A 12-hour timer, a silent mode, and the price is not bad at all at $37.99. It's very tall, very sleek. I like the look of it. It looks pretty nice. And then to my left, a new arrival from Vornado, we have their Box X fan. Now, the recommended square footage coverage of this unit is 700 square feet, 5 different speed settings, and a high velocity airflow. Has push button controls in the top right corner. Those are electronic. Even has a digital display with a 12-hour timer as well. Now, some of you can see that digital display from here, but it's not illuminated. Can you see it? Can you not? Can you see it? Maybe. Top right corner has an integrated kickstand just like a bicycle that is used to adjust the tilt on it. $59.99. Now let's take a quick walk. I did see some storage baskets I do want to show you very quickly. Here they are in front of us. We do get a 4-pack here. We have 2 different colors available. We have the white and we have the gray. Obviously the white has been selling a little bit better, so these grays are very nice as well. Nice and sturdy baskets. They're 14.3 inches by 11.6 and 8.6 inches in height. Very sturdy, very durable, and we do get a 4-pack here. The price is pretty decent as well, only $12.99. Now, these are stackable as mentioned. Now, we do have a couple of door options available here at Costco. This is a new one from Ove. We have their Providence shower door. The hardware is nickel, and it does look pretty amazing. If you do prefer something different, you can always head over to Costco.com. They have so many more options there. You don't always have to shop at Home Depot. Costco does have some amazing prices, $479.99. And if you are looking for a screen door, they have that covered as well. And now a product from Genius, we have the retractable screen door for a single door opening. Now if you have a double door opening, they have that available at Costco.com. If you need a different color, they have that too. They have the black, they have the brown, they even have a light brown. Here we're looking at the white, that is a 30 inches in height, the standard height. If you need the short height, they have the 78. If you need the tall height, they have a 96. This one's priced at $169.99, and the prices do vary at Costco.com between colors and sizes. In the number 28 spot, we're looking at the Artica. Now, this is the Blaze from Artica. It is a 20 LED bulb outdoor solar string light that is matte black, has a nice large solar panel, a 10-foot extension cord, 20 bulbs, and is 40 feet in length. Now, these bulbs are replaceable, which I like. Has that dusk to dawn option, 4 different light modes. It can fade, it can jump, it can flash, and it has a nice steady mode, obviously. Now, at Costco.com, you can pick it up for $42.99. Here at Costco, they're priced at $29.99. In the number 29 spot, we have to take a walk and go find these deck tiles. They're over on the patio section, so let's do that now. Here they are directly in front of me. We have the composite deck tiles. So if you do have a concrete deck, maybe you want to set these on top. You can even put these on your driveway. Pretty nice composite deck tiles. You can make your own little patio. We can see the groove slots in them. Now these deck tiles are 12 by 12. You do get an 8-pack here. They're about 7.75 square feet of coverage here. So you don't get much, and they are quite expensive, but it does look pretty awesome. So they're priced at $24.99. And to the right of that, we have the Lifetime commercial picnic table. Now, this is pretty awesome. I thought the price was pretty decent on this one. Looks pretty good, too. Not too bad at all for what it is. Now, it folds flat for storage. It seats 8 pretty comfortably, has a rough texture on it. Now, it does have a powder coat steel frame to it with an all-weather resistant finish. I like it a lot. Now, check out that price. It's only $169.99. If you do want to pick it up at Costco.com, it's $259.99. And at this end cap, we do have a couple of products from Miracle Grow. The first one, we have their organic potted mix. And to my right, we have their organic mulch. Now, this potted mix is 50 quarts. Now, this is great for indoor or outdoor use, both of them. It's $11.99. The organic mulch is priced at $3.39. So just around the corner on the other side, we have a new 12-pound bag from Impact Organics. We're looking at their organic earthworm, their plant food, and all-purpose fertilizer that will not burn plants. Now, it's people and pet safe, and it does cover up to 120 square feet. It's priced at $12.99, and that is for a 12-pound bag. Now heading over to the coolers, we have these new mochi donuts. Now these are pretty good. I've never had these before, but I've had the mochi donuts. Now either you like it or you don't like it. They're pretty fun to pull apart, just like little munchkins glued together. We have the sugar, we have the strawberry, and we do have the chocolate. 190 calories per serving, pretty much one donut. Here are the macros. Have a look. Now these are new to Costco, $9.99 for a 12 count. In the number 33 spot, we have the Maisto die-cast cars back in stock here at Costco. I'm not sure if this is the first release out of them. They kind of look like leftovers to me. If you know, leave a comment below. For some reason, I didn't follow it. Now, we do get a variety of different cars here. Don't wait for these to go on sale. If you see something you like, pick it up, because a lot of collectors do buy what they want. So these are back in stock here at Costco. Let's have a look at that price. The typical Maisto die-cast price at $16.99, and they are that 1/18 scale. And then to my left, we have their 20-piece wagon playset here. Now, this is a pretty nice playset, and the price is not bad at all. It's play at the beach, park, or home. It does include 20 pieces. Now, this is a sand and waterfront playset, recommended for the ages of 2+. When this goes on sale, I'll definitely pick it up, $19.99. And then to my left, we're looking at this once again. Now, they did put this one in a case. It's a Disney Spring Village here, a 13-piece set. Unbelievable reviews online. It plays joyful music for spring music. Now, it does have a timer function, 6 hours on, 18 hours off, obviously for indoor use only. It does illuminate. Now, it does have pretty amazing detail. You can't deny that. Here at Costco.com, it's priced at $109.99. Here at the warehouse, it's $99.99. Alright friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, whether it's Costco, Sam's Club, or Amazon, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, and don't forget about that giveaway. You only have 2 days left to enter. We're giving away a free Costco membership and I don't want you to miss out. Everyone should enter a free Costco membership, and if you already have a membership, just take it and return it, get your $65 credit, and you are good to go. Spend it on groceries. I'll see you tomorrow with a new Costco clearance video, and don't forget friends, smash that thumbs up button. Peace.